Alex, I think I sent a text to the wrong person.
Really? What did it say?
I can't wait to see you tonight.
Oops, who got it?
My boss.
What did he say?
I think you sent this to the wrong person.
That's awkward.
I feel embarrassed.
Can you explain it?
I texted my fiancé, not my boss.
He should understand.
Yes, he said no problem.
Good. Crisis avoided.
I'll double-check numbers next time.
Definitely.
Technology can be tricky.
And embarrassing.
Haha, lesson learned.
At least it's funny now.
Tom, do you know when the bus will come?
The app says in 10 minutes.
It feels longer.
It always feels longer when you're waiting.
True. Look at that dog.
Cute. It's playing with a ball.
I wish I had a dog.
Maybe someday.
Do you want to listen to music?
Yes, let's put on headphones.
This song is nice.
I know, it's relaxing.
Oh, the bus is coming.
Finally, let's get ready.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect timing.
Let's go.
Another busy day begins.
Hi, Tom. Studying hard?
Hi, Emma. Yes, exams are next week.
Me too. I need to focus.
What subject are you studying?
English grammar.
I'm doing math.
Shall we study together?
Sure.
I'll read some chapters.
I'll solve problems.
This library is quiet. Perfect.
I like studying here.
Me too. No distractions.
Do you take notes?
Always helps me remember.
Good idea.
Let's meet here every afternoon.
Agreed.
Almost done for today.
Let's review tomorrow.
Perfect.
This line is so long.
Yes, I didn't expect it.
What will you order?
A cappuccino, I think. And you?
I want a mocha today.
Good choice. I like mocha too.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come sometimes on weekends.
Oh, me too.
The pastries look amazing.
I love the croissants.
Shall we share one?
Great idea.
The line is moving slowly.
But the smell of coffee is so nice.
I agree. It makes waiting better.
I hope they have my favorite mocha.
Don't worry, they always make it fresh.
I'm excited.
Me too. Coffee is the best part of the morning.
Almost our turn.
Hi, Emma. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Hi, Liam. Yes, the sun is shining.
Do you come here often?
Almost every weekend.
I like walking in the morning.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Look at the ducks in the pond.
Cute.
Shall we sit on that bench?
Good idea.
How's your week been?
Busy. Lots of work.
Same here.
At least we can enjoy today.
True.
The flowers are blooming beautifully.
I like the colors.
Shall we take a photo?
Yes. Memory for the weekend.
Perfect.
Let's continue walking.
Hey, Maya, wait up. I was looking for you.
Oh, hey, Liam. You're late today. What happened?
I missed the bus, so I had to walk. It took forever.
That explains it. At least the weather is nice this morning.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Did you finish the math homework?
I did, but it was really hard. Question 5 confused me.
Same here. I just guessed the last part.
Hopefully, the teacher will explain it today.
I hope so. I don't want to fail the test next week.
Don't worry, we can study together after school.
That sounds like a good plan. Thanks, Maya.
No problem. Now hurry up, we don't want to be late.